Hey guys, and welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about a 5-minute workout that replaces high-intensity cardio. If you hate cardio but want that A-list figure, do this simple 5-minute workout. And best of all, you only need to do this once a day to get amazing results. And finally say goodbye to that belly fat. The secret of this 5-minute workout that replaces hours of cardio is the plank. Don't knock it till you've tried it. If you want great abs, then planking is for you. Planking is great because it's a core body exercise that works your abs, glutes, and postural muscles of the spine. There are several variations of how to do the plank. In this video, we're going to go through how to correctly position your body and then do this workout together. And don't worry about getting a stopwatch. We've got the timer sorted. Just find a carpet or lay down on a mat and let's get a step closer to a slimmer, stronger body. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips about keeping your body healthy. Number 1, full plank. Lie on your stomach. Now push up and place your hands shoulder width apart. Keep your feet together and place your weight on your tiptoes. Okay. Let's get ready to do this for 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, go! You're doing great, guys. Keep up the hard work. It's important to try and breathe normally so that you can continue to have aerobic respiration. Otherwise, your body will not get enough oxygen to the muscles and lactic acid will build up and make them ache. Okay, 30 seconds are nearly up. Keep going. You're doing a great job. Last 10 seconds. Keep holding it. Well done. Let's now move on to the next exercise. Number 2, elbow plank. Lie on your stomach. Now assume the same position as the full plank, but this time place the weight on your elbows and keep your arms shoulder width apart. Okay, let's do this exercise for 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go! Planks are great for strengthening your body and improving flexibility. Can you feel your muscles working? You're doing a great job. Keep it up. Last 10 seconds. Well done. Let's move on to the next exercise. Number 3, raised leg plank. Lie on your stomach. Now assume the same position as an elbow plank. And now lift your right leg in the air and keep your heel above your butt or higher if you can. And remember to try and keep your head and butt in a straight line. Let's do this now for 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go! Keep holding it. Only 10 seconds left before the next exercise. Let's get ready to switch over to the other side, and let's do this for another 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go! Keep going. You're doing a great job. Last 10 seconds. Keep holding it. Well done! Let's move on to the next exercise. Number 4, right side plank. Lie on your right side. Position your right elbow beneath your shoulder. Keep your feet together and on the ground. Now lift your butt and waist up, but keep a straight downwards going slope from your head to heels. Ready? Let's do this for 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go! Side planks are the best for creating a narrow waist. The fat around the waist just melts away. Remember to keep your body in a straight line. Try watching yourself in the mirror, or get someone to watch you if you're struggling with positioning. Last 10 seconds. Keep holding it. Well done, guys. Take a rest. You deserve it. Can you feel the burn around your stomach? Your muscles are already getting toned. Now keep this up for the next month and you'll begin to see why planks are so popular. We hope today's video helped you learn about planks. Keep doing your favorite ones daily. And if you like all of them, just watch this video every day to help guide you through them with timing. Thanks for watching.